Ladies and gents, today is the day. 53supply.com, we have the new spooky October drop. Actually, there's nothing spooky about it. This has been one of the most commonly requested shirts ever on the channel. Probably the most comfortable shirt we've ever made. We have got awesome hoodies, the most comfortable you will ever wear. We've got amazing joggers, we got hats, we got water bottles, keychains, different color stickers. We have everything, so it's live on the site right now. I want you guys to go check it out. Thank you guys for your support. There's a lot of people out there that thank you for your support as well. Now enjoy the video. Good morning, gamers. We are back again with the SUBARU WRX. Let me show you some pictures of what we got coming from the junkyard. This is a picture of the rear clip of the car that we're gonna have to drive up to Arkansas to go and grab. Huge thanks to Devin, can't wait to see ya. But before we start messing with the body panels and stuff like that, I wanna do some experimentation. This car's obviously got a lot of interesting things wrong with it that we're gonna have to fix aside from the body. One thing I really wanna focus on is trying to see if we can restore the paint back to its semi-original condition. I wanna try wet sanding today and see if I can go ahead and get this nasty clear coat off and just go ahead and scrape it down to the original paint and then buff and compound it and see if we can get it to shine like normal paint. If we can't do that, we were thinking about recoloring the car anyways, but yeah, as you can tell, it's not in incredible condition. I'm getting a new wing and a new trunk, so these do not matter. And then when Victoria gets back, if this would be kind of fun, I've never peeled off tint before, so we're gonna have to peel off that tint, and we might even try and do the entire window tint ourselves, because since I'm replacing the whole rear clip, I can probably go ahead and tint the windows. Well, Victoria's gone because she's going to get us food, and well, everything that we brought here to work today, it's in the car still. So I went ahead and killed some time and cleaned up some stuff in the engine bay. I did a really light pressure wash. It wasn't even like a pressure wash, it was just hose with some pressure. So I cleaned up everything. It's okay, by the way, if you guys are curious, to spray in the engine bay as long as you try and avoid the alternator and the intake and like the MAF area and stuff like that. Just let everything dry off. I'm just gonna let this sit there for a little bit, and now it looks way better than it did before. It was nasty. And the wifey is back. Hi. You know what time that means. Well, actually, we gotta eat first. What we got going on today? Oh man, you talking about the inferior burger place to Whataburger? Yep. I guess this'll work. Holy crap, they really just tossed it in here. Oh no, man, In-N-Out, Whataburger, SUBARU, Evo. I guess both are good, but Whataburger's better. And so is the Evo.
If you spray me, we're gonna have an issue. Stop it! Look at that face. Look at that face.
First things first, we really need to see what we can do with all the wet sanding stuff. I'm just gonna fill it up with some water. Some water. I used to be super into detailing, as you guys probably may or may not know.
On the old SUBARU.
On the old SUBARU, before I had 77 cars that I had to detail all the time. And I used to watch a bunch of like fully restoration type stuff. So I'm pretty familiar with wet sanding and restoring and compounding and buffing, but I've never actually done it. So again, this is a huge learning opportunity for me and for Victoria. This is just, it's all fun.
Let's try.
This battery is hella dead. It's like, yeah, we're gonna definitely have to replace this. Hey, look, guys, a booster gauge. Can't wait to watch this thing get to 0.5 pounds of boost and blow up. The objective here is to just start filing stuff down until the clear coat is gone. So I'm gonna try and be really careful around the painted areas, but I gotta get this clear coat on.
You know, it's all about the faces you make when you do this stuff. You're not doing it right if you don't make faces.
It's like, ah. Yeah, good as new. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys that are detailers out there were probably cringing that I was using such a high grit of sandpaper or a Scotch-Brite pad. That obviously wasn't working, so what we're gonna do, my dad actually has an orbital sander at his house, so we go grab that, maybe get some 1500 grit because that's pretty aggressive. I'm gonna need some fairly aggressive stuff. I'm gonna get the right stuff, hurry up, and then we'll see how good we can make the hood look. All right, here, baby. Oh yeah, one of his LS swap Jeeps ended up having a lot of problems. So he shipped it back, and they're fixing it right now. I was hoping to show you guys some LS Jeeps. Okay, buffer. Boom. Now I need some sandpaper and get my butt back to the shop. What have you been up to?
Hi.
What are you doing?
There's a huge brown stain, kind of like over there.
Yeah.
And so I've just been using carpet cleaner, and it looks good.
Cool.
Yeah, and
Nice.
There's a lot of stuff up here that's all gone now.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So I've been kind of working through this. I ended up not getting 1500, and I wanted to get a little bit. This is a little heavier, a little lower grit than 1500, and I wanted to see. It's taken off the clear pretty well, but man, I don't know. I'm scared this paint's gonna be so thin. It's not even gonna be worth using, or it's not even gonna be salvageable. So if I start tearing through any of the paint, I honestly might just use this orbital just to completely sand everything down and just get it completely ready for paint so that I don't have to pay a body shop to do it. Yeah, even just really lightly doing this, we're already through the paint. We tried, but I just don't think this is worth salvaging.
I think it's more fun just to strip it.
Yeah, me too. I kind of don't want to. I kind of don't want to keep the paint. I mean, we would have had to spend a lot of time salvaging this, and it might not have even been worth it in the end anyways. You want to give it a shot? Just lightly press the trigger, get it spinning first, and just make sure you try and hold it. It's not a dual action, so it just spins on itself. You want to just try and give it pretty even. Yeah, this is much more fun than doing it the other way. Point it down a little bit, like point it up. There you go. Get a little aggressive with it. There you go. Still see where the clear coat's at. So basically you're just going to try and like erase it, but you got to be careful. You got to try and do it like from the outside in. It's just, I guess it's a better process that way. Yeah, she's having all the fun. So we've got it nice and it's really smooth around here.
It's like butter.
Like as smooth as it can possibly be. So we're gonna try and we're gonna do this a different day because I'm wearing really nice jeans and I don't want to ruin them. We just gotta basically get all the mountains off and sand this down. And my dad actually, my dad used to paint, so him and I might actually end up painting this car together, which would be really fun. Moving on, something else we're gonna have to do is re-tint the rear window. This, oh, it smells like cleaner in here. Oh my God. This is probably one of the nastiest, bunkiest looking rear windows with tint ever. Actually, honestly, all of this tint is just really bad. Basically, a monkey. Tint is held on by an adhesive on the back of the glass. And so that's keeping it on there really, really, really tight. So what you gotta do is you gotta either steam it off, heat it off, or peel it off with no help at all, and that just takes 3 light years to do. So we're gonna try and get something to heat it up and try and start peeling some of this off. If this doesn't work today, we'll grab a steamer tomorrow or something like that, and we'll peel all the tint off that way. All right, guys, we did it. I took off the tent. see you guys tomorrow for the next episode of Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. This is turning out to work pretty decently, actually. I'm getting a lot of the adhesive. It's literally burning through some of it. Look, that's gone. Okay, I gotta stop that. But burning through a lot of the adhesive. All of the, that's smelly.
Mm-hmm.
You smell that?
Yeah.
That's good, huh? Anyways, tomorrow I think we're gonna focus on getting all the paint filed down and basically ready for paint before we get all of the quarter panel stuff, because that's gonna happen this weekend. Ooh.
And try all that.
Here? This is working out pretty decently. This is actually working really well. It's kind of exciting and kind of fun. Ooh. Oh, that's sticky.
You can smell it.
So yummy.
You know, just visual therapy.
Oh yeah. Oh, how fun is that? How exciting is this, guys? Woo! Glad you subscribed for this. All right, Victoria, with her really focused mind, ended up finishing up the tent. And she's not here for me to congratulate her, but everybody say good job, Victoria. Got some air in the tire. It's time to send it. See how nasty this field is. Have a little bit of fun, baby. Off-roading time, brother.
He's having so much fun. I just know he's, oh, so much fun. Oh my God. That hood is, or the trunk is just cracking me up. Project cars. They're fun. Here we go. This is for the thumbnail, boys. That was so much better.
My rear view mirror fell off.
I was wondering when that was gonna happen.
Sent it too dang hard.
And your wipers are still going.
I can't wait until this thing has like all four wheels running. We could actually take this to like an off-road park.
Yeah.
Before we slam it and wide butt. I mean,
I think it's time to take another bath.
Well, the nice thing is we're gonna be doing paint tomorrow, so all that's gonna be washed off anyways prior to us starting to wet sand, and I can't wait till you try that. It's the funnest thing ever. Please tell me you're gonna try it eventually.
Let's do it.
That was moderately fun. I wish I could go faster, but right now, baby girl's a little bunk. Hey, and some cool news is my Lexus is getting entirely new fuel line. It should be about ready to start today. I'm still waiting on an ECU though. That's literally the only limiting factor now, so that much closer to just doing some mad skids. Back there reminds me of what driving a rear wheel drive is supposed to feel like, and I miss it so much. But anyways, more stuff coming for this tomorrow. We're gonna try and get the paint done, and then this weekend, who knows, we'll do whatever the good old Holy Spirit tells us to do. I hope you guys are enjoying this build. We have got some pictures to take for our launch that is coming on Friday. Make sure you guys are ready. We got Don't Give a Heck tees. We got the best hoodie we have ever come out with. and just a bunch of really good stuff. Mark your calendars because it might sell out quickly.
It's the best launch yet.
Thank you guys for watching. We both really appreciate you. Hope you're enjoying this series, and we'll see you tomorrow. Or, yeah. Peace out. Be victorious.